Hey folks, it's the Ballistic Celt again. We're continuing in testing 9mm hollow points in water jugs through the 16-inch barrel carbine. And what we're doing today is the Remington Golden Saber. This is actually the third hollow point in my series of testing today. So as you can see, we've shed quite a lot of pieces of the brass jacket as well as many pieces of lead. So what this is supposed to be is there's a little black band you can see there next to the brass, and it's called a black belt because it's got this little black belt that's supposed to mechanically bond the parts together, and it held the core together. So it's kind of reminiscent of one of those RIP rounds. It goes into your target and a bunch of pieces break off, creating secondary wound channels while the middle piece continues to penetrate. And that is basically what happened with this one. Shed a lot of pieces in the first and second jug, and I found this core in the fourth jug. It penetrated 3 jugs all the way through and then dented the back of the fourth jug. So it went almost completely through the fourth jug as well. The remaining piece expanded to an average of .41 caliber. So that's not bad. But you know, it doesn't look like there's much weight left here. Anyway, so on one hand it kind of failed because it broke all the pieces, but let me tell you, that energy deposit was violent. In fact, I shot through 13 different jugs trying to capture this one. I had to shoot 3 times into different series of water jugs to try to capture it. The first one went through 4 jugs and then escaped the bottom corner of the 4th jug and couldn't find it. And then the second one escaped the bottom corner of the 4th jug as well and sliced the corner open on the 5th jug. So there was still some energy left there. Finally, I caught this one. I kind of made sure I placed my shot a little bit to the left because something about that right hand twist, it was just kind of sending it, especially with all the pieces breaking off, it was sending it, you know, veering to the right after it went through so many jugs worth of water. So anyway, both a failure and a success, depending on how you look at it. So there's that. Keep carrying, stay safe, and God bless.